Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Wi-Fi video streaming quality in the Spotify app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu in the top left corner. Now we tap on settings and privacy, then we scroll down, tap on media quality, and here we scroll down until we find video streaming quality here. And under Wi-Fi streaming quality we can select low, normal, high or very high, whichever we want to. Of course, a low streaming quality will mean a lower, a worse listening experience, and a higher, better listening experience through Wi-Fi. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.